Assemblymen was so gakope. Nipa bonefo bi akonefie akwa ekune yaya. Na me mamoti ase se ni area wote the youth there wo mubuefu ama wo mo akwa blocky road endra wo mo ko blocky road nti wo mo ana wo mo fi Accra ekọ Aflawo nina no na tese traffic achi wo because ni akọ blocky road no data won ko blocky road no se wo hwe akrofo na wo mo ba abrantie we ho any area nim no na abrantie no wo security door e wo ne fie na wo mo you see 45 good minutes and on the breaking security door no area abrantie no ne fie mu whilst they were breaking in people in the area heard it abrantie na nkasa the family any omo area nim e try say wo mo free police for within that 45 minutes and armed robbers na e break into the house within that 45 minutes omo free police police in fee ema akronfo no etumi bowie mu e di etio e kobo abrantie no ekuno. I have more updates on this particular thing. The yatekra ne say abrantie no ejuma wo ye ene say na wo ye mobile money merchant na wo ye obi na wo only eye mobile money na yesusu say enu hu sika a wo de kotu fie e na akronfo yi eba ho so wo bi mo tepofo say den yu e na akronfo yi eba ho e be wi asika no. We are also hearing say akronfo ne ba ya wo mo twi etio esi abrantie ne so no na yere e offer say wo be ma armed robbers no 300 million momu nkun ni kunu no osi wo be mo 300 million for them not to kill the husband but still akronfo ni emfi e ma wo mo kun ni kunu no na tre say yenim say akronfo ne ba ye no wo mo a wo soma ana wo mo soma akronfo no wo mo e mo order say wo mo be wi aska ni wi a wo mo nkun abrantie no because say wo ba na wo be robe ni ya mouse ka na wa twetuo su papa ne so na na yere say wo 300 million or the be mamo nkun ni kunu na still mo ekun ni kunu na. It tells me say you predetermined say wo be kuno wo ye wo ba na grana wa say wo ba be kun abrantie na ko abrehosem and then out here say the youth they be abrantie net no wo mo ekosaki police for e wo police bar be a wo Aflawo ho wo mo sanso eko police station yeso ga kope police station ho eko ye dede wo ho atie for nya easy. Police for Ababon said in Samabetuja because apparently police for were able because for Mokasai Emma and Branton they calmed down. Emma were more every police station where roadblocks now were more a year and so no muyifi ho. The yacht breaking news at Eba and they say and there youth no asanso akobo dompema and no dey aye serious crowd wo mo ahihye tie wo kwan so a blocky road no into wofi Accra asanso airport Aflawo and there aye very serious. Abrantie no may his soul rest in peace. Marcus Mauto Ajali. Now, police for Ababontin Edensem Ababetuja on this particular incident. The police for the air and they say, Encrofono, whatever their grievances are, actions now one more a taking no, and yeah, say one more blocky road, one more mancro for Enfa Quaineso, one more full police for no, or say action are enya because the police are actually investigating the matter. Police ni penyi a wakasa emomo eden sem ebetuja ena say what nsem eniso police in your friend corporal dogbachi dogbachi na me person me reading some about the tuja say they are concerned that the police did not respond promptly and that is why the youth engage in all manner of behavior blocking the road. We will expect the public to cooperate with the police so that our work will be enforced or enhanced for the general good of the people that we are mandated to protect. And only sema what they are to was say womo ate say nkrofu buefu de ntia womo block road no mo buefu omo abegina police for ho a womo chanting ni na no eye say police for ye from one bantem wase wasre womo yesa no na nka momfa mo ahonden embo a police for na womo a womo di sa nyamransem no yenye na yenchi womo enu ni asema wodi tuja was say we expect that if they have concerns they can best address them rather than embarking on such demonstrations which are not in tune with the law. Not just say adie na mbebunu no ye no embra emmo mo ho kwan because Ghana has say so will be a demonstration a was say woko police for ho na wokoje nkrata na weyo a demonstration against the police. It is a walk home or Jane Krata or Monte Bemawana. It's just a question I'm asking. Now, a for Obi Anokan said the police are yet to ascertain the full facts of the matter. And only asema womode tuja. Say police for afiansa womobeye investigation no mu hu asem ni mu ne kre. Afiansa womobe command investigations into the heinous crime. Hey. Now Obi Anokan said there are varied accounts. Some alleged it was contract killing. Others say it was robbery, but our position cannot be informed by rumors. We need to go into the matter and come out with facts. But see, for us, our mandate is to investigate, and we have launched investigations into it. So what can I say for them? Their mandate is to investigate. Meka said that the police is not right. Their mandate is to protect and be proactive. If you protect and you are proactive, there will be no case for you to investigate. And this even exposes the mentality of the police force. Their work can say police wanted there, but the more they understand mobile investigation, it exposes your mentality, and you need to change your mentality. Police need not work on the same way. No, it was the mentality. Your mandate is not to investigate. Police and now the understand mobile investigation. What the understand mobile proactive. Your friend one wako. Nanka your friend mo. Ena mokoya nanka case bi eni ho se mo be investigate. Imagine se krono ansa na be sha ase ana ansa na nipakum ana boni bia be sha ase na police fu ehu aye. Would there be a matter to investigate? There will not be a matter to investigate because the nanka the investigation be ba no mo atwa so. Me ya pa. For me, make say youth no eyebufu ena ba se nipa bufu a otumi ye enyama bebre. Nipa bufu a otumi ya de later kana wa ba benu ne ho we no wo manga sabo mu nipa e na wewu o ya assembly member area mufuo no e penasem young guy with a very young family e na wewu. So I understand very well youth no I understand them, but mesromo they shouldn't do things Ebia and also any different matter ebeba. Because ya pa me area mete 3 years ago City FM 4 kra report here. Na enkrofo bi omo robe area bi a refer Bechile. Na Bechile any MF police station. It's just about 5 minutes drive. And a year robbing enkrofo ewo Bechile. And a Bechile for no efre MF police station for embra year robbing omuno. Wamo frɛ MF4 sɛ MFA muna moye police for amoben nkrofo error be yen etiefo police for ne peke ye etie asem no fine eye bibia fine ba unim de esi ye am robbers no error be nkrofo no nina a ewo area ho error bi omu wie ye efifa wo mo nyama to kan mu emuvi kan ne koye 3 hours after armed robbers no operation we and send the police for ever. 3 hours and I'm telling you this will be our name Bechile and MF bia wonim say enwa MF Estate and Bechile and what just 5 minutes drive. It took the police 3 hours to come. And that's a road ni so no traffic was so because time I was friend na ya ahomache na robbery ni esi so. Sa kwan no ahomache traffic ni so. It took the police 3 good hours. In Kofona, ye robbery no abwa area muho a robbery will be area. Into BB say, do you expect the people to trust in the police? No, they will not. Adena, ye put the back on the door 45 good minutes. Like police Aden after what because some mandate ne say mobile investigation. Dabi, what do you understand? Anka mobile peke na anka mo akwa save no. Asema ya America and they say Ghana has say won. Ghana ha nothing works so. Ghana has say. Oh. Who? On my way mu. On my way. Wo ene wo nyankopon. Na me na hwe yen. Enye nyame a etiefo nkan simbi ebe say I say politicians don't care. The police force don't care. Just say no one actually cares.